Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. A folding e-bike that is solid and looks good too? That's the deal from Blaupunkt, the well-known automotive audio brand that's out with new, beautifully designed e-bikes. Those are our initial impressions of the Henri model we've begun to check out. It's simple to fold and unfold, fitting easily in most hatchbacks or trunks, and weighs about 47 pounds. Brian Tedesco is heading Blaupunkt Americas.
Our focus or idea was to be best in class in something that is portable, something that's affordable, and something that is durable.
The bikes are powered by a 36-volt rear wheel hub motor, which you can use as an assist as you pedal in throttle mode or not at all. The price at bpamericas.com is under $2,000. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.